Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manually and automatically back up QuickBooks. Whether you're safeguarding your financial data or preparing for system maintenance, knowing how to properly back up your QuickBooks files is essential for protecting your business information. Let's walk through both methods so you can choose the one that works best for your needs. First, you'll want to click the gear icon in the top right corner of your QuickBooks interface. This icon serves as your gateway to all the important settings and administrative functions within QuickBooks. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your account. From that menu, select Backup Company. This is the central hub where all your backup operations are managed. Here you'll have control over both manual and automatic backup processes, giving you flexibility in how you protect your data. Next, click Backup and then select Run Manual Backup. This initiates the manual backup process, which is perfect for those times when you want immediate control over when your data is saved. Manual backups are particularly useful before making major changes to your books or at the end of a critical accounting period. Now comes an important decision. From the backup type dropdown, you'll need to select either incremental, full, or complete backup. Each type serves a different purpose. An incremental backup only saves changes since your last backup, which is faster and takes less storage space. A full backup captures everything in your current company file, while a complete backup includes your entire QuickBooks installation along with all company data. Choose the option that best fits your current needs and available storage. Once you've made your selection, click Backup to start the manual backup process. QuickBooks will begin creating a secure copy of your data based on the backup type you selected. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your company file and the backup type chosen. Finally, on the Backups tab, you can see the status of each backup you run both automatically and manually. This dashboard gives you a complete overview of your backup history, showing you when backups were completed and whether they were successful. It's a good practice to check this tab regularly to ensure your data is being protected consistently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.